Conduit mount can be installed to accommodate conduit running in either a north-south direction or an east-west direction. The mounting base of conduit mount tile can fully rotate inside of its tile hook attachment. The ends of the hook itself are designed to accommodate different levels of tile thickness, and the base can attach to either end. Choose the end that will fit over a tile most securely. At the other end, pop the cage nut into the slot and attach the conduit mount base with its mounting screw. You can leave the mount screw loose for now to allow for adjustment later in the installation. Lift the tile in the course above the location that conduit mount tile will be positioned. Hook the end of the tile hook attachment over the highest point and place the tiles back in their original position. Be sure that the attachment hook lays as flat against the tile below it as possible. Tighten the mount base fully, and conduit mount tile is ready for installation of conduit.